Okay, so now again you all are welcome students. Now I am not getting you on my screen because direct from my mobile I am using my internet. I am streaming this, so laptop is actually not connected to internet. So now whatever you will ask me, I am not able to see. Okay, so I will just, so after some times I will. Okay, factorize. What we have to write first, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. The first question is x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 2. Sorry, minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. Clear? So here, see, problem will become like this. See, if you make the pair of this, okay, so what will common here? Minus 2 will remain and minus 1 is common. So what will common here? X minus 2. So now thing is that this both bracket must be common, but these brackets are not common. Okay. So now problem is that we cannot use this method. This factorization method is not we can use here. So now what we have to do? So in this kind of question you have to assume, okay, x equal to 0, then you have to put the value of x here, means x plus 1 is 0, so x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 you have to put here, will come or it will not come. So if 0 is come, if 0 will come, so x plus 1 is the factor. But if it's not come, okay, so we have to assume x minus, then x minus 2 equal to, assume the 0. We have to assume the 0, there is no particular method. One answer is x minus 2, Divyaraj Ahir. Yes, Avika Parmar. First answer is x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1. Ha! It's not like that. First answer is x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1. So if Divyaraj Ahir, you are right now talking about fifth question, first question. So your answer is wrong. Your answer can be true. So now in short you have to just assume the 0. Okay. So here we are going to assume 0. Yes. First one, for this question we are going to assume, so first of all let assume x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 is the factor. So p of x is, so this is our p of x, so now we have to put p of 1. So p of 1 is 1 cube minus 2, 1 cube minus 1 plus 2. 1 cube is 1 minus 2. 1 square is 1 only, minus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0. Okay, so 0 is come, it means that yes, our assumption is correct. Otherwise you can say right. Sir, explain again, repeat again. Not understand. Okay, let me take it again, but you write down it this fast. After completing this, I am repeating it again. Okay, 2. Sorry, x square is common. So x minus 2. So x minus 2 minus 1 is common. So x minus 2. X minus 2, x square minus 1. Oh, wait, students. This is not wrong, but by this method also we can get the answer. So, for solve the question, and don't forget this method. In second, third question, I will again explain you that what we can do. By this method, easily we can get answer. The simple factorization method we can get answer. Okay, so here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus minus 3x square, sorry 2x square minus 2x square minus x plus 2 x plus 2. So here x common, so x minus 2 will remain, minus 1 is common, x minus 2 will remain, x minus 2, x square minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so this is your answer. So many students reply me. So actually I just told you, no, you are not correct, but no, it was my mistake. For this question you are correct. Like this only you can solve easily. Okay, so now let me take second question. X cube minus 3x square. See second one. Here we have to use that method only because now we have no way. So now x cube minus 3x square, 3x square minus 9x plus minus 5 minus 5. So here if you make bracket are same, assume x plus 1 is factor. See, in short, you cannot do anything. Here what you can do? You cannot do anything. Okay? So, if you cannot do anything, so this method you have to use. Let assume x plus 1 is factor, so that x equal to. So now p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 minus 1 minus 5. So minus 1 cube minus 1 only, minus 3 into minus, that is 1 is right, and x plus factor. Okay, so like this we have to do. Again I am repeating because last time you people, what you people have to do. See here, any type of factorization method, a square minus b square method, a whole square method, a plus b, a minus b whole square method, one time on. You have to try on first x plus 1. Can see if it's not applicable. If x plus 1 is not factor, see here x plus 1, just assume x plus 1 is not factor, then x minus 1, still x minus 1 is not factor, then x plus 2, if it's not, then x minus 2, if it's not, then x plus 3, so on, or x minus 1, otherwise x plus 2, otherwise x minus 2. Okay, so like that only. So that if you are assuming that as a factor, see, if you are assuming that as a factor, x plus 1 is factor, so value of x is minus 1. So minus 1 you have to put instead of your p of x, this is your p of x. So instead of x you have to put minus 1 because now value of x is minus 1. So p of minus 1 and then value, if 0 is come, so your assumption is true and that is your factor. We have to go ahead because we have to check x minus.
So I have listed this one is for myself. I have stated for it to okay. There is one option in I will tell all the teachers if they wanted to do it, they will do. So right now they are traveling. Ram sir and Ranjit sir, they are traveling right now. Once they reach at home, if they wanted to use, they can use. So it will be more easy for you. And it will remain in one code, one can check it, you can remember, you can show your parents. There is an option.
Write down fast.
For parents, they are asking money. For students and teachers, there is free. So if your parents wanted to, they have to pay some money. Okay. One more thing, we can learn HTML and CSS from the W3 school. Right now.